Hi guys, we received this set of mouthwash dispenser for your bathroom for event purposes, and it's a really nice one. As you can see, it's a clear bottle. And place it. You pop it right there, and now you can use it. And it comes with this really nice stainless steel base. It also got these stickers. Put this here, and here your little cups to use the mouthwash. And I'm gonna place the stickers on here. Place and I've placed them both. I'll leave it here, and you can use it. So let's go to my bathroom and fill it.